Russell Cummings, Classic Grain LLC out of Red Bay, Alabama. We started this in 2018 with a single truck, single trailer, and we've grown it to what it is today, which is 4 trucks, 4 trailers. We pull hopper bottoms, mostly local stuff, but a little bit of regional. I just got lucky. Salesman called me, said he was ready to go if I want to get on the list. So we jumped on the chance, and here we are. He went to work the first week we got it. Can't make payments with it sitting in the yard. We've added the light bars down the side and the lights, and very little work to it. It comes fully dressed. We're gonna dress it up, fix it up a little more. We really don't know. I don't know what they're gonna come out with yet. It being the new model like it is. We're just gonna wait to see. We want to put lights around the breathers, drop visor on it, a few other small things.